Hey boys, welcome back into this video. This is just going to be a short video letting you know how the system works and how to use it. Now, this employee management system, like I may say, if you try to log in, you can't access anything. Yeah, it has to fail, and if you don't have anything there, you can't also bypass anything because the system has got a database here. Panel for registration. So if we have only one person inside the system and is logged in, and that's the person who does it. Now if you go here and just going to check on that, so I'm just trying to move on. This sound is too much. Try to minimize some of the things that's making up the sound. Okay, so this is what we have. So you can click that to print up. That's from the dashboard, so the dashboard take care of those all. This is it. So if you go to departments, this is the part for department, and when you click, you can also edit up what you want. You can edit up this stuff if you don't want that. And then you also have the part for delete, and when you click delete, it has to first ask you, do you want to delete or no? So you have choice. You have the part for edit, for the part for what, for add more departments. When you click that, will add more departments. You have the part for print PDF. Now this system cuts across as you go even to departments, to manage up admin, the same thing. You have the part for edit, you get. You can edit up a user, you can delete, and when you click there delete, it also asks you, then you can continue. You have part for print PDF, is also there. You have part for add whatever. That's also how the things like. You can add up a new system user. Register up a new system user, you click there and then you click registration. If you don't have the details, it will handle the errors and then it will show you those stuffs. The view system users, you click there, which will give you a chance, and you can also click PDF. If you also go to the part for register up attendance, that's it. So to register attendance, make sure the department is added, because it's a department that gives you the chance to register up attendance. Because you need to track, like for instance here, I need to track up those customers, and they have to come from registration of the what? Employee. Then here to view, that's it. Salary, this I will register on salary, and when you click there, you can also have the salary. Print up the whatever, that's it. Employee attendance is there. When you click here, you can also just print up attendance like this. So that's it, boss. That's how the system works like. So the system generates for all those scenarios of what you have there. You get? So that's how the system works. Okay, so that's it. So when you click here, just click to move. So after you watching this video, let me know on what you need to change and how the facing system works. Otherwise, thank you for watching live. Thank you.